Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I am coming to you with another wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. Sis, we have us another synthetic wig sleigh. This unit was sent to me from Divatress. I'll have Divatress and this unit linked in the description box below. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so again, I received this unit from Divatress, and they sent over this unit right here. And sis, I feel like I have not done a Bobbi Boss unit in forever, and y'all know how I feel about Bobbi Boss. Like, I love them to death. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, crimps. Okay, let's take all of this. Sis, we are cute with these crimps. I don't think I've ever had a synthetic crimped unit. We're cute. So let's get into it. So again, this is from the brand Bobbi Boss, and this is their premium synthetic MLF 538 Ramona, and in the color 1B. It says that this has a midi fresh cap that's safe and clean. It blocks the UV rays, antibacterial, and it has great ventilation. It says it's three prong curl cool crimp. And it just has, oh, it says it's HD transparent lace, natural baby hairs, and a 5-inch deep parting space. It doesn't say, oh no, it does. So it is curling iron safe. It doesn't say up to what temperature, but we all know just keep it on its lightest setting. And yes, sis, this is the stock card. And again, one more time for this unit, the crimps is everything, honey. Yeah, the crimps is everything. So this is the part, if you can see that, the 5-inch deep part. And then does it have, yeah, I see the little baby hairs right here on the side. And then this is the inside of the cap. Are there combs? Yes. So I feel one comb right here. Is there another comb? Okay, so it's one comb right here next close to the part, and then it's one comb right here on the side. I'm guessing because it's a side part, I just figured they would probably have one a little closer, but they don't. But okay. And then there's two combs at the bottom along with adjustable straps. So let me make sure. Or sis, no, so it's one comb at the bottom. Girl, I got this so mixed up. It's one comb at the bottom, and it just, the second comb feels like it's close to the bottom, but it's really on the side. So there is the part, and then it's one on this side and one on that side. So yeah, it's two combs at the top, one on the far side, and then one closer to the top, and then one at the bottom. So girl, kind of confusing, I know, but it's just a little weird. I just never seen it like that before. But anyway, sis, one more time for this unit, and we're gonna go ahead and put her on. So I'm not tinting the lace on this unit. I'm just throwing it right on, and I'm kind of just deciding how I'm going to wear this unit. It is a little smaller, so yeah, I'm just kind of deciding what I'm gonna do. So I decided to go with a middle part, and because I'm doing a middle part, the lace no longer goes ear to ear, as you guys can see. So I'm pretty much treating this unit like a closure unit. So yes, sis, to glue it down, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free spray, and I'm just gonna spray and blow dry, spray and blow dry. So now I'll be using my Black Radiance Contour Palette, and this is to tint my lace. So I'm just going to go all along the hairline, tint my lace, and then repeat the first steps of the Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and then blow drying it in. And this just is going to create the perfect melt, sis. So now for styling, I'll just be simply using my hot comb, and I'm just going to hot comb the part in the front area just to make it as flat as I can get it. And yeah, pretty much just make it look good. So now for these baby hairs, I'm just going to take some hair out on both sides, cut it, curl it with my little flat iron, and then swoop them over using my Got To Be Glue Free spray. Now that I'm done with my baby hair, I'm gonna go back in using my hot comb, and this is just to style up the front and just get it to where, you know, how I like my hair to look. And then I'm as well gonna go back in using some Got To Be Glue Free spray, and this acts as my wax stick, just so again, sis, we can get this unit laying really flat. So now I'm going to take some oil sheen and spray it in my hand and use this to separate the cramps as well to reduce some frizz.
Okay, sis, this is what we're looking like. And girl, the middle part is such a vibe. I am so glad I went with the middle part instead of the side part of, you know, what you were supposed to do. Girl, the middle part is hitting. We cute. So yeah, let me turn around so you can, you know, see the back. Y'all, and this unit is fairly long. Let me stand up. Look how long, y'all. Like, girl, and it's thick, but we'll talk about that. So yeah, let's push it up to the front. And this is not all of the hair up to the front. I still have, well, just that little teeny bit. So majority of it is at the front. But anyway, sis, let's get into these details. So it is not big head friendly, as to why the main reason why I just went ahead and did a middle part, because I just didn't want it all on my head, if that makes sense. So yeah, not big head friendly. The cap size is fairly small, which I knew that it was going to be a problem, like just looking at it out the pack and stretching it and stuff. I already knew that it was going to be smaller, so it is a little tight on my head, but I mean, we managed to make it work. It's still cute. And again, I did the middle part because I wanted to be different. Not only that, but because it was a smaller cap, and again, I didn't want it to be all on my head. And I say that because right here is where it stops. So this is basically, you know, just the wig or whatever. But sis, when I say you cannot tell, you can't tell. It's literally just like having a closure wig, only this would be like a 7x7 closure. So majority of your head is has the lace. Again, it stops right here, and this is not lace, but sis, you cannot tell at all that there's no lace right there, which is good. And then this side, I barely glued this side down, again because the wig cap was too small, so I didn't glue this side down. But this is all lace, and it goes lace probably right stopping behind my ear, and as you can see, it's lace right here. So yeah, if you want to do a side part, by all means, but girl, the middle part is just hitting, period. But yeah, so the texture of the hair, so right when I took it out the pack and I looked at it, it was real cute. It is a little shiny, but the hair is just super soft, sis. Super soft. It is a little bit frizzy. I added my oil sheen or whatever, but this side of my head just will not let me like be great because it's so frizzy. But this side is just perfect. So yeah, I really recommend putting oil sheen. Not only that, just finger combing it and really just kind of keeping your hands out of it. I haven't received any tangling nor shedding. Again, it's just really soft hair, very thick. Like, y'all, this hair is super thick, y'all. A lot of hair on this unit, and I actually thought it was gonna be a little lopsided because it is supposed to be a side part, but for the most part, you can't even tell that there's a slight difference, being that I did make it a middle part and it's supposed to be a side part. I'll let you look at that again. Like this, you can't tell that, you know, it's a little, just a tad bit lopsided, but again, you can't even tell. And I'll show you the hair in the front. So it's thicker right here. You know, you can tell just a little bit, but girl, you can't tell all that much. So if you want to do a middle part, girl, do it. But yeah, the hair is just really nice. The hairline, so the hairline could be better. You can't really pluck it. A lot of people ask me, do I pluck my synthetic units? And although I don't, if I could, this would be the unit that I would start on, because the hairline is a little thick and it's like a T-part unit or whatever. So it's like a little lump right here. I wish it laid flat, but it's a lump with all the tracks. If you can see that, it's like a little hump. It doesn't lay flat at all. But I mean, girl, you get what you get for the price point. I mean, for the price point, it is a nice unit. The crimps are nice. Everything laid down nicely. I did have to go back in with some Eco Styler gel to lay my baby hairs. You guys know I normally just lay my baby hairs with the Got to Be glue spray. However, since this is more synthetic-y, you know, sometimes I always have synthetic units that can lay down with the Got to Be glue spray, but this is more of a synthetic blend than a human hair blend. It did say premium synthetic. It just, the hair wouldn't lay down, so I did need to go back in with some Eco Styler gel. And girl, the baby hairs are laying. This one's a little lumpy, but for the most part, sis, we're cute. We're not gonna like really, nobody's really gonna be looking at you like that. But yeah, it looks really good. I added some powder down the part just to, you know, make it look, you know, crisp and clean. I didn't go back in with any more powder in the front of the hairline. It looks in person like it's blending very well and that there's no white spots. I'm not sure how it looks on camera, but in person, sis, we are blended and we are cute. Overall, I like this unit. It's really cute. I think that the longevity of this unit is pretty much what you make of it. Just given the thickness, the length and stuff like that, and the frizziness, maybe 2 weeks. But again, if you do it with, you have good care with this unit, you can last 3 weeks, maybe even 4. Probably nothing besides that, because I feel like once you get into the environment with this unit, it is gonna get bigger, frizzier and stuff like that, because you're gonna want to tame the curls or the crimps, whatever. So yeah, but anyway, sis, if you want this unit, I'll have it linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.